Hello friends, this is Donzella. Let's build some mini pizzas. Simple, easy, budget friendly. And if you like recipes like that, join me in my kitchen and Ms Donzella Cooks. And let's create this easy, budget friendly mini pizzas. These are pepperoni pizzas. So we start out with English muffin. I have here. We have pizza sauce. We have pepperoni. We have mozzarella cheese. We have Italian dressing. So let's build this pizza. So with clean hands, take our pizza sauce and we will spread this on each side of this English muffin. If you have children, they love these types of meals. They're easy and quick to cook. All you have to do is, once you finish building your pizza, put it in the oven and on bake 350 until your cheese is melted. There we go. We put on our pizza sauce. Each one of these English muffins will hold about 3 slices of pizza. Is what I'm putting on mine. But you put as many slices of pepperoni as you like. I think I said pizza when I meant to say pepperoni. So therefore, friends, so we've added our sauce, our pepperoni slices. Now let's add some mozzarella cheese to each one of these. Just like so. You add the cheeses that you like. If you don't like pepperoni, you can just have a veggie pizza. Here we go. We're going to put on a little Italian seasoning. And friends, add a salad to this. This is a nice, simple, easy, inexpensive meal. It is filling and it tastes good. So all I did was take a basic English muffin, added some pizza sauce, added pepperoni slices, added my mozzarella cheese, and baked it just until the cheese is melted. And if you do not have an oven, you can melt these in the microwave just until the cheese is melted. And this is the result. You can add a little salad to it. And that's it, friends. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. Like I said, if you like easy, budget-friendly recipes, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks.